Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? The customer is complaining of a noise over bumps. Please check and advise, and while you're there, perform a multi-point inspection. Well, say no more, we got you. We're looking around the engine bay. It's also here for an LOF service. We already performed the oil change, and we're just looking around. You can see there's a plethora of gougots in the cowl, and if you haven't already figured it out, there's a lot of flavor here. And this is just the engine bay. Well, OEM replacement battery, very good. And we can see here, there's a whole lot of corrosion. There's a whole lot. And this is just in the engine bay. Can only imagine what it looks like underneath. As you know, flavor country, we are in. So you guys know what comes next. Let's take it up top. Now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around. We're going to look at the skid plate that is pretty corroded, but they have new hardware, so whoever's servicing it, I guess they care. We look at this side, and we can see that we're most definitely in flavor country. Oh wow, backing plate's pretty stiff, giggity, but it's struggling. It's definitely struggling. Oh, we have a brand new caliper, so they care about their truck a little bit. They care about stopping, which is good. You always want to stop. Or at least you want to be able to stop. So we got a petrified front differential. Oh yeah. Yes we do. It's petrified. Oh, look at this. Something was leaking over here. This control arm is all ugly, but yet this one, oh, that's why. The self-lubricating chassis system was taking care of the chassis on the passenger side, but it's only to this area. Because the further we go back, we can see that the corrosion continues. Our transmission lines are looking okay. Prindle switch is looking alright. I could see some corrosion. I didn't feel any hard shifting of the shifter, so the drive shaft is a little lumpy and bumpy. Ooh, it gets worse over there. Yeah, you never want your shaft looking like that, guys. Most definitely a giggity. The exhaust, we could see it's been pieced together, which is fine. Flanges are still flanging, but they're struggling also. Hardware is still there. Looks like it's been apart at one point, so they probably replaced the gaskets. Or they had to take it apart to weld this guy in, as we could see new hardware here and a new gasket. That looks like a newish pipe right here. And then we're looking at the drive line, not looking that good. Not looking that good. So let's go to the some of the elephants in the room. Let's go to the elephant walk. We have a busted parking brake cable here. We could see that that's not looking good there. Flavor chips are falling. We could see that this parking brake cable is broken also. More. Oh wow, that was a big flavor chip. Oh, hitting the camera. Nope. Let's get out of there. So here's the noise. Let's follow this leaf spring. It's not supposed to be all the way up there. It's supposed to be attached to that right there. How is it supposed to look? Well, it should be in better shape than this side, because this side, probably the same thing is about to happen. One good bump and this is, or maybe a few good bumps. But we could see that the excessive corrosion has definitely gotten to the rear end, Gaby. And so we're going to recommend full replacement of the leaf springs here. We're definitely going to recommend replacing these shocks, because they used to be yellow. These used to be the Bilsteins. Yeah, OEM. It's a 06 with 170K on them. They're not leaking, but you look at them hard enough, they might just start to leak. This one's in a, well, I don't want to say it's in better condition, but at least they still have the stickers. Some more petrification. We could see this bracket has rotted away. At one point they got brand new gas tank straps because, they probably rotted away. We could see, that's no longer on there. Oh, that one's no longer on there. What about over here? Oh, it's still on there. So yeah, this vehicle's definitely seen some better days. Definitely seen some better days, and I can tell you the better day that it saw is when it got a brand new frame at one point in its life during that campaign or recall where Toyota was taking care of the customers. They took care of them, but the other half of the battle, the customer has to take care of the rest. And in this case, the corrosion got to it really bad. So yeah, we're definitely going to recommend both sides, because we could see that the condition of this here is no longer good, or it's about to be no longer good. The mounting here is alright, but we're still going to recommend all the hardware. We definitely don't want to reuse any of this hardware. We're definitely going to recommend to replace the 11-year-old tires. And you can see there's dry cracking throughout the tread. Now let's see if we can find the DOT. Ah, here's the DOT. That is the 5th week of 2014. So yeah, it's 11 years old. I don't want to look at the DOT on the Land Rover tires. They're in good condition, no dry cracking, but I know they're old. Alright guys, say something positive in the comments. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for the intense flavor.